This is the 2019 Honda Odyssey EXL. It does feature fog lights as well as LED daytime running lights. You will have memory settings for your power seats, which include a 4-way lumbar support. You will have buttons to be able to control the doors. Steering wheel controls to answer your phone calls, as well as adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay integration, Bluetooth audio, dual climate control, heated seats, snow mode and econ mode. You'll have power ports, as well as in here, additional USB and power ports, as well as an aux input. You will have remote start on your key. The seats will slide in and out. You can remove the center section in order to have captain seats. You will have the all-weather floor mat for the 3rd row, as well as the back row and in the front seats. You have a capless fuel filler, power liftgate with a backup camera. There's your all-weather floor mat in the cargo area in the very back. And you have the Magic Stow seating. So it can fold down nice and flat. You also have an additional power port back here. Push button to close. This is the 2019 Honda Odyssey EXL.